Majority of the questions was there wasn't any that were too hard.
What about question 4 and 5? Okay, this is a different topic. Okay, clear. So prime factorization.
No,
I think that's a pretty understandable topic. Let's directly jump to questions. So question number one says in a certain game, a large container is filled with red, yellow, green, and blue beads, respectively, worth 7, 5, 3, and 2. A number of beads are then removed from the container if the product of the point values of bead removed is this. How many red beads were removed? So first of all, we know the numbers which are 7, 5, 3, and 2 are prime numbers. And
Yeah.
whatever one scores, the final score is actually the product. So he's scoring 147,000. How many red were there? So I have to see that red is the
Can I
first
try
one, which
this?
corresponds. Sorry?
No, I'm like, can I try doing the question?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
It's the answer too.
Yes, that's correct. So 147, if there was red, we should get a multiple of 7. And if there's another red, we should get a multiple of 7 again. And no more multiples. So we have 2 red beads, which is scored. Same way, question number 2. Skeet shooting competition awards
so can you go back
prizes
up
as
for 1
follows.
second?
First place, second place. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So that's it. Okay.
Yeah,
Please repeat.
because 147,000, if he would have scored or took yellow bead, definitely 5 would be a product as well. So we were asked about red only, so it should be divisible by 7.
Okay.
Same way, first position 11, second position 7, third position 5, and fourth position is 2. No other prizes are awarded. Ali competes in a skeet shooting competition several times. If the product of all the points he received is 84,700, how many times did he participate?
All right, just give me a
So
second.
84,700. Yeah, sure.
Is the answer 10?
Let me check. Question 2D.
Is it D?
I
Oh,
got 7. Oh, wow.
wait. So let me
I got 7 as my
see.
answer.
Yeah.
Is it D
Uh,
or C?
Mahad, you can't get 10 because when we are dividing it,
Mm-hmm.
if I try with 2, that is 84,700 by 2 is 42,350. Again, by 2 is 21175. I cannot go by 2. No, so by 5, I'm getting 4235. Again, by 5 is 847. I'm trying 7. Gives me 121, and that's 11, 11, 11, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He did he did
Oh,
participate 7 times.
okay. So you always go from the smallest prime number to the largest?
You can do it in either way because all of these are prime, you'll end up with same answer.
Okay.
Like if we start with 84,700 and start with 11 first. So 84,700 divided by 11 is 7,700. Again 11 is 700. 7 is 100. 5, 20, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it hits. Even if you shuffle them, you'll get the same answer because 84,700 is product of something which is only divisible by the same number. Like we are not talking about like 2, 5, 7, 11. If they are present, they will also divide the number.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Question number 3. If LCM of A and 12 is 36, how many are possible values of A? A and 12 is 36. Should I solve this?
I don't know, so let me try.
Can you try doing it, sir?
Okay.
Is it D?
D, I guess, is too large for this question. Number 3 is A.
A? Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
people actually fail to find one value or two values of A. You did 6 values of A.
One
Consider
second.
this A. Mohammed, may I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And consider this 12, and the LCM is already given, which is 36. So we know
Yeah.
36 is 6 into 6, which would be 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is 36. For simplicity, this is 2 square into 3 square. And without any doubt, 12 is 2 square into 3. Now, I have to see that I have the LCM. This is 3 square, which clearly is not present in 12. So it must be here. I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
write single 3. I cannot miss 3 in A. So that's a must. So if I'm looking at this current value of A, when we look at this 3 square and 12, yes, we are getting 36. So that's one possible value of A. Second possible value, if I just say it is 3 square into 2, is it possible to still get 36?
Yes.
And
No.
third possible value could be
What the- 36, yes, it would be able to.
3 square into 2 square.
Mm.
So we have three different values. If I write A as 9 or 18 or 36, and with the 12, it will still have 36 as else.
Hmm. So the answer is A, right?
Answer is A.
So 3 squared and times 2, would that be three numbers or
3
would you
squared
not?
times 2 would be actually like 18.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose, see, if I find LCM of 9 and 12, LCM is 36. If I find LCM of 18 and 12, it is 36. If I find LCM of 36 and 12, it is 36. So A could have these possible values with 12 and still end up with LCM as 36.
So you got the base 2 times 3 and then you just put squares on either one of them and then found the three values, right?
Yes. Yeah, for the first one, I was pretty sure because 12 is not providing me 3 square. So it has to
Mm.
be in A.
So why didn't you only do 2 square as an answer?
2 square as answer in case of A.
Yeah.
Okay, if I write 2 square, see this. This is A. This is 12. 12 is 2 square into 3. LCM is 36, which is 2 square into 3 square. So if I just write 2 square, you're saying this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mahat,
Yes, sir. Can you
now
hear me?
tell me where is this 3 square in LCM coming from?
Ah, okay.
So it has to be somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Let's have a quick revision of LCM and NCF. Okay. So in case of LCM, we actually choose the higher number. For example, X is 2 square, 5, 7 cube, 19. And Y is 2, 5 square, 11 cube, 19 square. So LCM is going to be, out of these two, it is going to be the higher number. Out of these two, it's going to be the higher number. Now see, there is 7 in X. There is no 7 in Y, but we still select that number because it is a multiple. If I'm not selecting it, I'm not actually including X. And then 11 cube and then 19 square. This is my LCM. In case of highest common factor, it strictly needs to be common. In the first two, this is only 2. In second, that is only 5. So 7 misses out, 11 misses out, and 19. This is HCF. For example, we are doing a bet, Zubair versus Mahat. And I have all the coins which are value 3. Mahat has all the coins which are value 4. So bet 1 starts. And I put a coin, and Mahat puts a coin, and Mohammed jumps in that that's unfair. Value should be equal. Then I put another coin. Now I am at 6, Mahat is at 4. You would have to put another coin. Now you're at 8. I'm at 9. You're at 12. Now we are at 12. So 12 and 12. This is the lowest common multiple. Then we wish to increase our bet. Now we won't put one by one coin. We would increase by laps of 12. So this is going to be 24, 36, 48. 24, 36, 48. So least common multiple has to have all the numbers included, or else definitely this will not be the multiple of that number. So if I'm not selecting 7, how could I end up with X? So we have to select everything. In this case, 3 square is in LCM, that is coming from somewhere, and that is
Mhm.
clearly not present in 12. So it is coming from A.
Okay, sir. So can I just take
How
a
many
picture of the
different
question
factors? Yeah, sure.
very quickly? Okay. So done.
Yeah, I think you have video access as well along with
Oh yeah,
this sheet. Are you edit on this sheet?
yeah. I think I'm not sure, sir. I
Do
don't.
share your email addresses. I'll let them. If they're not there, it will be done. Okay,
Okay, so
number of
I'm not.
factors. Now that's a very odd question. Sometimes, let's say we talk about 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say how many factors does 12 have? It has 6 factors. How many factors does 13 have? So that is either 1 or 13. So it has only 2 factors. How many factors does 10 have? So it is divisible by 1, 2, 5, and 10. So it has 4 factors. Now I'm increasing the number. If I think about 100, it is always easy to think in pairs. When I wrote for 12, I could have written, when I was thinking about 1, I knew it is 1 into 12. When I was thinking about 2, I knew it was 12 into 6. So actually, when I think of one number, I'm getting two answers. And 3 into 4, I can still count them to be 6. For 10, I could have written 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. I can still count them that they are 4 factors. So for 100, it is 1 into 100, 2 into 50, 4 into 25, 5 into 20, and 10 into 10. And when you do that, be careful. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factors, not 10. Because 10 is repeating itself. So these are 9 factors. Now, what
Sir.
happens in exam when we have such a large number, we may miss a factor. So one option would be that we'll get a close answer and we'll just have that idea that we missed something.
Sir, is it A?
Question 4.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
So I just did the prime factorization. I got 2
Okay.
to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 3. So I remember using this method once you get, so 2 occurs 4 times and 5 it
Very good.
came about
Very
3 times. So I did 4 plus 1 times 3 plus 1. I got 5 times 4,
good.
which was
That is the
20.
method. Well done. Well done. Well done. Very good. Mohammed, do you know this thing?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. So we can leave
So
one
he's
question
lying.
for practice.
Sir, I am not lying. I would never. You believe this
Okay. Question
audacity of
number
Mahat
6.
to say that I'm lying?
No, no. He's just teasing you. 5 per m, 14, 4 per
On
18.
my name, sir.
So I can simplify it to 5 raised to per m and 2, 18. So that is 5 per m and 2 raised to per 36. On right hand side, 2 into 2 into 5 raised to per 35. So 2 into 2 per 35 into 5 per 35. So 5 raised per m and 5 raised per 35. This is 35. Try question number 8.
Is it? Uh, what a, sorry, I got an odd. Is it three?
It is not 3.
What? Oh, sorry. No, it's seven, seven, seven. So I
Yes,
got
that's
confused.
Mohammed and
Yeah.
same answer.
Yep.
Try question number 11. Do you know what factorial is?
It's when you multiply all its numbers with its like preceding numbers, like 14 times 13 times 12 all the way to 1.
That's right.
Is the answer B?
Answer is B.
So could you explain this one?
Yeah, sure. 14 factorial is in numerator and 7 raised to power m is in denominator. And now we need to get no remainders and should cancel out the denominator completely. So which is obviously 14, 13, 12, and all the way up to 1. So I'm writing only those numbers which could be multiple of 7. So I see that 7 could be cancelled out with this 7 one time and with this 14 one time. In total, that's 2. So it would be 7 raised to power 2, which will do it. Maximum value. It cannot be 3. So if I write 7 3 times, which number will cancel it out? 7, 7, 7. One goes with 7, the other goes with 14. This is remaining. So it could be 7 raised to power 2 only. Another question on same nature
This is very easy, sir.
is
Thank you.
13. Mahad, is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You're welcome. Question 13. Same thing. I'll be back in 3 4 seconds. Try question 13.
So can you go back to the previous working out again? Sir? Uh, sir?
Yeah. Done?
17?
So I'm not sure
17
how
is
to
correct
do this
answer.
one. Okay. Can you explain the method, sir?
Yeah. Same way. Same way. If z is an integer and z factorial is divisible by 340, so this is in numerator and 340 is in denominator. Now, numerator is unknown, so I can split the denominator for myself. So that is something. And this is 17 into 2 into 10, something. Now, if I think of the smallest possible value, 17 is a prime number. I need to have 17 in numerator as well. So if I start with 17 factorial, that is the only number which will give me 17. And somehow we are getting 2 and 10 somewhere in these multiples. And we'll get rid of them as well. What do you say?
Okay, sir. This is, yeah,
Okay.
understand.
Next is divisibility. Before I jump onto that, let's do some short questions.